Garlic has been used in food and medicine for thousands of years and is one of the most widely consumed vegetable in the world. Not only does it add flavor to a variety of dishes, but garlic also provides numerous health benefits. In this video, we will explore the nutrition content and health benefits of garlic and explain why adding it to your diet can have a wide range of positive effects on your body. From reducing blood pressure to fighting off infections, the potential gains from consuming garlic are impressive. Garlic has been used as a culinary and medicinal plant since ancient times. It is a natural superfood that provides numerous health benefits due to its high nutritional content. Garlic contains vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients including manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium. It also contains amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Garlic has compounds known as allicin, which have antibacterial properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, garlic is rich in antioxidants that protect against free radical damage to cells and tissues within the body. Garlic has numerous health benefits that have been well documented. Let's dive into more detail about these benefits. 1. Garlic and the immune system. Garlic is a commonly used ingredient in many dishes around the world, but it has also been used as a natural remedy to boost the immune system and protect against illness, including the common cold. Studies have shown that daily consumption of garlic can help provide significant health benefits. Garlic contains antioxidants and compounds which are believed to be responsible for its ability to fight infection and disease. Not only is garlic an effective way to reduce the risk of catching colds or other illnesses, but it may also reduce their duration when consumed regularly. Eating 1 or 2 cloves daily over several days can help increase immunity levels and give your body better protection from infections and viruses. Additionally, adding raw chopped or crushed garlic to salads or other meals is thought to be more beneficial than cooked garlic. 2. Garlic and blood pressure. Studies show that the active compounds found in garlic can reduce blood pressure. This makes it an effective natural remedy for hypertension and other heart-related conditions. The main active compound in garlic is allicin, which is responsible for its distinctive odor and taste. Allicin has been linked to numerous health benefits, such as lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. It also works to dilate blood vessels and reduce the resistance of your arteries, resulting in lower blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that moderate consumption of fresh garlic can help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure by up to 8%. Consuming garlic regularly can also help improve overall cardiovascular health by protecting against atherosclerosis, myocardial infarction, and stroke. 3. Garlic and cholesterol level. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy for improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies have found that garlic can lower both total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, LDL, levels. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it increases the risk of heart disease when present in high amounts. Fortunately, research shows that adding garlic to your diet may help reduce LDL levels. In addition to reducing bad cholesterol, garlic also appears to raise HDL, high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol, which has been linked with a reduced risk of heart disease. The active compounds in garlic work by blocking an enzyme responsible for producing LDL, thereby lowering overall levels in the body. 4. Garlic, Alzheimer's disease, and dementia. Recent studies suggest that garlic contains compounds called polysulfides which play an important role in brain health. These compounds are believed to reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, they can improve mitochondrial function and energy production in the brain cells, which may reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease or dementia. The protective effects of these compounds are especially beneficial for people who are at risk for developing these neurological diseases due to genetic factors or other lifestyle choices. 5. Garlic and bone health. Recently, studies suggested that garlic may be able to improve bone health by providing essential minerals and vitamins necessary for maintaining strong bones. One study conducted on postmenopausal women found that those who consumed more garlic had greater bone mineral density in their hips than those who ate less. Although further studies need to be done to confirm these findings, early results indicate that adding garlic to your diet could have significant benefits when it comes to improving bone health. 6. Garlic and heavy metals detox. Eating garlic may be one of the best ways to detoxify heavy metals from the body. A recent study conducted by scientists at a car battery plant has confirmed this theory. The 4-week study focused on employees at the plant and found that garlic is an effective way of reducing lead levels in the blood. The team discovered that the factory workers who were given 1,200 micrograms allicin 3 times daily reduced their lead levels in the bloodstream by up to 19%. Lead poisoning can have serious health consequences, but these findings show that adding garlic to your diet might be beneficial for those exposed to high doses of heavy metals. 5. Garlic and athletic performance. A study investigated the potential for garlic supplements to enhance endurance and strength training. They found that when participants took garlic supplements over the course of 6 weeks, they experienced a 12% improvement in their athletic performance. These improvements included increased running speed, increased muscle power output, and improved endurance during exercise. Although more research is required to confirm these results, the study concluded that taking garlic supplements could be an effective method for improving athletic performance. The researchers suggest that further research is needed to determine exactly how garlic affects physical performance and whether it can have a long-term benefit on athletes' overall health and well-being. Finally, incorporating garlic into your diet is easy. With a few simple tips, you can use this powerful ingredient to create delicious meals that are packed with nutrition. The best way is to consume garlic in its raw form. The key is to finely mince or press the cloves for maximum flavor release. This releases the beneficial compounds found in garlic that give it its health benefits. You can also roast whole cloves of garlic in the oven or add them to soups and stews for an extra boost of flavor. Roasting brings out the natural sweetness in garlic without making it spicy or bitter. In summary, garlic is an incredibly beneficial ingredient to add to any diet. It has the potential to improve heart health in many ways, as well as provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Eating garlic may also reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, improve bone health, and even help treat some skin conditions. Not only is garlic good for your body, but it can also add flavor to many dishes.